Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel,